Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use hidden words to filter unwanted messages in NGL. So let's get started with the video. Open the latest version of the application. Here at the upper right corner, you will see an option of settings. You need to click on settings. Post that, a pop-up window will appear. Here you will get an option of settings. Third one, click on settings. Under safety controls, you will see hidden words. Click on that. And here you can enter the words or phrases which you want to filter out. You can either separate multiple entries with commas. For example, I am writing, you can separate it with comma. You can either add it or you can also add them individually. You can click on the add button, or if you want to add them individually, you can add them individually as well. And once you click on add, it will automatically get saved, and once the setup is done, messages containing these hidden words will be automatically filtered. So this is how you can use this hidden word filter feature. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.